In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on display. Now scroll down just a bit to access font size and style. Then go into font style and tap on the best one for you, like Gothic Bold. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to apply even more fonts, go into the same settings, but this time select download fonts at the bottom and click on this little icon next to the best one for you, like Cool Jazz. Then log into your Samsung account and tap on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!